ExpressVPN just revamped all its pricing plans with new special deal that fit every budget. If you're searching for the best deal, you're in the right place. I'll explain everything you need to know about the new plans, but before we dive deeper, here's a special offer just for you. If you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive discount plus an extra free month. Something you won't find on the official site. This helps you save money and supports the channel, so thank you for that. Now, here are the three new plans to know about. The basic plan costs just $3.49 per month on the 2-year subscription plus 4 months free. It includes all the essential VPN features such as access to over 3,000 servers, strong encryption, a verified no logs policy, and support for up to 10 devices at once. This plan focuses on pure VPN service without additional features. The advanced plan starts at $4.49 per month on the 2-year subscription plus 4 months free. It adds more security tools, including a password manager, ad and tracker blocking, and the Identity Defender suite that provides identity theft protection features, available mainly to US users. It supports up to 12 devices. The Pro plan is the most comprehensive, starting at $7.49 per month for 2 years plus 4 months free. It includes everything in advance, plus a dedicated IP address, extended identity protection tools, and support for up to 14 devices. All plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them risk-free. Longer subscriptions save you money compared to monthly billing. If you're new to VPNs, here's what you need to know. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and hides your online activity, protecting your privacy from hackers, ISPs, and even government surveillance. It also lets you appear as browsing from another location, which helps unblock geo-restricted content like Netflix or Disney Plus libraries from around the world. ExpressVPN is known for blazing fast global servers in 105 plus countries, allowing smooth streaming without buffering, strong privacy protections, and easy-to-use apps on all devices. So, don't wait. Click the link in the description below, grab your exclusive discount and free extra month, and take control of your internet privacy today with ExpressVPN. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I personally reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips, deals, and online security advice.